What's up, everybody? Welcome back, or welcome to our channel. My name is Ariana, and today we're going to be talking. What's up, everybody? Welcome back, or welcome to our channel. My name is Ariana, and today we're going to be talking about merch. And if you're starting a merch line, whether you're a YouTuber, an author, a podcaster, a nonprofit, a small business, choosing the right merch fulfillment company can make or break your brand. It's either going to make your life easier, or it's going to give you a customer service migraine. So today we're going to break down who, in our opinion, are the best merch fulfillment companies. And we're not just going to go by price. We're also going to go by who we think should actually work with each company. And if you have any questions whatsoever, anything that you'd like to say, please make sure that you drop it in the comments. If this is your kind of thing, please make sure you like and subscribe. And with that said, let's get into it. Just because it's really important when you're making your choice to make sure that you're making it according to the right criteria. So the things that really matter are going to be print quality consistency. How often can you trust that your quality is going to be the same across the board? Shipping speed and reliability. Customer service, especially when you have something that goes wrong, and it will go wrong. Upfront costs, long-term margins, customization options, branding control, scalability. And a lot of creators are going to over-focus on that no upfront cost part and under-focus on the customer experience. And that's how we wind up with faded prints, crooked logos, refund emails at 11:30 p.m. when the order is due at 11:59. Merch is brand reputation. So that's why it is so important to pay attention to the right things. Okay, so our first favorite here is BlueCotton for quality control and real human support. BlueCotton has always stood out to us in a very specific way, and that's because it operates more like a partner than a print machine. A lot of people tend to go with print-on-demand platforms specifically, and BlueCotton is not one of those. But that's because they give you dedicated support, they give you quality oversight, strong production standards, bulk and fulfillment hybrid options, real people you can contact. They don't play around. They even have a 9-point quality assurance check that they do on every order that passes through their facility. And this is going to be important for when you're running merch for an event, or when you're just scaling your merch, or when you just care about consistency, or when you want to avoid customer complaints, which is also really important, right? So if you are a creator who wants reliable production without managing the inventory yourself, but you also don't want to sacrifice the quality or the customer service in exchange for that convenience, this is going to be the company for you. Keep in mind that this is not print on demand, so this is not an upload and forget it model. It is more structured, so you are going to have to be more involved. But that's worth it if your brand reputation matters and you want to make sure that everything that you get is consistently good across the board. Highly, highly recommend. Now, if you are looking for integration simplicity, then you are going to want to look at Printful. It's one of the biggest names in print on demand. It integrates with a number of different online commerce storefronts like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce. It's very beginner friendly. And of course, the wonders of working with companies like this is that there is no upfront inventory or catalog needed. You can literally just test a new design right out the gate. That does mean that you are going to be looking for higher cost per item, and that quality is going to vary depending on the product, because they do have to do all of their printing outside using third-party vendors. But this can be amazing for early stage creators who are just testing their limits and testing designs. It's not going to work well, though, if you want heavy quality control or you want your hands on how well things are doing. Just make sure that when you are looking at this, that you are keeping that in mind. Next up is Printify. Printify is best for the price-conscious shopper. Printify functions more like a marketplace of their third-party providers. So you're able to choose from their suppliers and compare their pricing and select whichever one works best for your business, which is great because that makes it so that the pricing is competitive. They have a large product selection. It's a lot easier for you to kind of pick and choose how much you want to spend on whatever new product you're testing. Of course, as with anybody using third-party suppliers, you are going to have consistency variance, and customer service is going to be more indirect. You are going to feel more like you're handling things on your own. But if you are managing suppliers and testing samples and you're comfortable with that, then Printify is perfect. If you're really not looking for a lot of help, this is great. Next up is Teespring, and this is best for influencers who are testing their merch. It's heavily optimized for the creators themselves. It's easy to launch. As with Printful and Printify, it requires no inventory, and it connects to all of your social platforms super easily. So if you are a beginner and you're also looking for that no upfront cost option, and you don't want to have to purchase a storefront through like WooCommerce or Shopify, perfect. This is the perfect one for you. That does mean that your margin flexibility will be lower and there isn't as much premium customization. Teespring is only available for certain very minor designs, but it is perfect for if you are just trying to test out interest in your brand and how many people would be interested in jumping on that train to buying your merch. So, highly recommended for anybody who is just starting to dip their toe into the merch waters and wants to see who might be interested in what they have to offer. For those established brands who are trying to actually scale their inventory, we highly recommend ShipBob. So ShipBob is different from everybody we've mentioned so far because it is also not print on demand, but it is also not like BlueCotton where it is a direct printing facility. It is third-party logistics. So what that means is you produce the merch elsewhere. Then what ShipBob does is they store and ship it for you. So that makes it so that while you have to handle the printing and the design, they actually handle the shipping infrastructure, and it can be quite fast. They have warehousing across regions, and because of that, they're able to handle a lot of product at scale. The downside of that is that they do require upfront inventory, and it is going to be more operationally complex than everybody else we've mentioned. But if you're moving serious volume, this is going to make perfect sense for you. But I will say, if you're just launching, maybe skip this one until you get to the point where you're ready to scale. That being said, you've heard all this and you're probably like, okay, still a little lost. There's a lot here. Who should choose what? So I'm going to make it a little bit easier. If you are a brand new creator testing your designs, Printful or Teespring are going to make more sense for you. If you are price sensitive and you're willing to manage the suppliers on your own, Printify is going to be the best option for you. If you are an established creator and you really need that quality, that consistency, you want direct support, you want real humans to speak to, look at BlueCotton. Again, we have tested their customer support. Highly recommend. It is one of the bright, shining stars in this industry. If you are about to be shipping thousands of units monthly or are already doing that, you're going to want to look at ShipBob or someone similar. All of that to say, don't just try to go for the cheapest per shirt option. Don't just worry about margins, because cheap production can absolutely get expensive fast. And in case you have heard this and you're like, okay, I don't get why BlueCotton was on this list. It's not a print-on-demand company, and it's not a logistics company. We put it here because it balances fulfillment convenience with production reliability. It's a rare middle ground. It's not going to be automated, and it's not a marketplace model. That is correct. And it's not going to be warehouse only, and it's not going to be a logistics model. That is also correct. But if you are someone who cares about your merch line enough that you want to make sure that it is always consistent, you want to make sure that you are very easily able to reach out to people when things go wrong, get your answers quickly, have fast turnarounds, sometimes 24 hours if needed, to make sure your brand is well represented, you cannot do any better than BlueCotton. So if you've ever dealt with a misprint disaster before launch, you're going to get why that matters. So just keep in mind that there is no universally best merch fulfillment company. There is only what is the best for you at your stage. Think about what we've said. Ask us any questions you would like to in the comments. We are more than happy to answer. If you have any of these companies in your past and you'd love to talk about them, we love to hear about that. And we wish you and the growth of your company nothing but the best. Go out there and go get them. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.